In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an availability calendar or appointment booking functionality to your GoDaddy website using their built-in appointments feature. This process is straightforward and will significantly enhance how you manage appointments directly through your site, offering a seamless experience for clients or customers looking to book your services. To get started, the first thing you need to do is access the website editor. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once inside, navigate to your dashboard. Here you'll find your website or website builder panel. Simply click on Edit Website to open your site's editor. This is where you can make all the modifications you need to tailor your site to your requirements. Next, you want to direct your attention to the Appointments section. Within the website builder editor, you'll notice a suite of site management tools. These are usually arranged in a navigation bar on the side, making them easy to locate. Find and click on the Appointments option. It's typically represented by a calendar or clock icon, symbolizing the scheduling capabilities you're about to unlock. Once you've clicked Appointments, you'll be taken to a screen dedicated to managing your bookable services. Here, it's time to add a new service, which is pivotal as it's where your availability calendar is configured. Look for the option to Add Service or a similar button. It's usually pretty visible. Click it to start creating a new bookable event. You'll now be prompted to fill in details for your service. Now think of this as crafting a profile for your bookable event. Start with the service name, making it something clear and descriptive like 30-minute consultation. Proceed to specify the duration, which might be something like 1 hour 0 minutes, even if your service is intended to be shorter. This offers flexibility for setup or any necessary transitions between appointments. Next, craft an engaging description that informs potential clients about what the service entails. Lastly, don't forget to set the pricing, including the amount and price type, such as flat rate or per hour. Consider who will provide this service by designating staff members and clarifying the service location if necessary. After setting up your service, it's crucial to publish and test your setup. Once your service is created and configured, the availability calendar will automatically align with your settings, taking into account staff schedules, specified service duration, and location. This calendar will be readily accessible for customers to book directly on the live website pages where your appointments section is placed. Finally, double-check everything looks as you intended and be sure to publish your website changes. This ensures that all the modifications you've made take effect and your booking functionality is up and running smoothly. With everything set up, you've now enhanced your GoDaddy website with a functional and user-friendly appointment booking system.